Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSE 2013. The given question is a shared variable x initialized to 0. Okay, so the value of x equal to 0 is operated on by four concurrent processes w, x, y, and z as follows. So each of the process W and X reads X. So W, X, Y and Z. So W and X reads X first. Okay. Increments by 1 stores in the memory. So X plus plus and write of X. So X plus plus write of X. Okay. And then terminates. So each of the process Y and Z reads the value of X. Okay. And they are going to decrement the value of X. Okay. And stores it to the memory and terminates. Okay. Okay. So now they are saying each process before reading X invokes P of V. Okay. So wait operation is being performed. So let us assume semaphores as S equal to 1. So P of S, P of S, P of S, P of S. Okay, wait operation on a counting semaphore S and invokes V of S after storing the value. Okay, because this X is a shared variable, so this protection is mandatory, right? Yes. So semaphore S is initialized to 2. Okay, so the value of S is not 1 but it is a 2, guys. Okay, yes, and invokes the V operation. Okay, so till here I read, right? Yes. So now what they are asking is what is the maximum possible value of X after all possible complete executions. Okay, so a simple trick which I have already told you is, so what do we want here, guys? So we want the maximum value. So if you want the maximum value, we will try to avoid these two things, right? Because they are trying to decrement our value, but we want to avoid it. So what I will do is, as my semaphore value is a 2, I will send one semaphore inside this thing and one semaphore inside this thing. So now the value which is red here is a 2, the value which is red here is a 2. So we will decrement this 2, so this value will become 1. So then I will write that value to 1. Okay, so it becomes a 1 and I wrote that value and this particular execution is done. Okay, so once this particular execution is done, what I will do is I will execute the next value. So this all I will execute now. So it is going to decrement that value from to 1. Okay, it is decremented to, sorry, it is incremented to 1 and again it is decremented to 0 as we are performing this, right? Yes, so the value of X is initiated to 0 and now it moved to 1, right? Yes, so again we are performing read of X. Now this value will be 1, so again we are decrementing it, so the value is 0, then I am writing it, so the value is 0. So then I am incrementing this value of S again. So now this process is also completed, right? Yes. So now we are left out with these two, guys. So what I will do is, first I will continue this. So 2 increment means it becomes a 3, and if I write that, it becomes a 3 now, right? Yes. So once this particular thing is done now, so I can continue with this one. So read 3 plus 1 is a 4. Okay, 4, and then I am writing 4. So now the value of X is a 4, right? Yes, and V of S we are writing 4. Okay, but in the options there is no 4. So did I read the question correctly? Okay, so now I understood, guys. So what did they say, guys? They told the value of X is 0. Then why did I make it 2, guys? I'm really sorry about it. And they told the value of S is a 2. So this 2 I have written it here. So the value has changed in this way, guys. So initially it was 0. It became -1. It became -2. It became, okay, so after that it directly became 1 and then it became 2. So 2 will be the correct answer, right? Yes. So here what happened is, from 2 it went to 4. From 0 it went to 2. right? Yes. So the same range moments, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question, right? Yes. So the major thing with respect to these questions is you should understand the question, guys. So the whole concept will be with respect to that question. That's it, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this question. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.